We crashed.
Oh my god, we crashed here. Guys, we got lost. Toca do Saci in Sumaré. Guys, don't go away. Look at that. What? Welcome everyone on our way to the Trilha Toca do Saci. Okay everyone, Trilha Toca do Saci, 6:35 in the morning right now, and just only knowing me, Mama's working right now. Let's see how that place gonna look. We're gonna camp, we're gonna make some bonfire, and not so much excited. All right. Whoa, what's up people? Welcome back. Trilha Toca do Saci, Sumaré, 31 kilometers. We are about to show you all this area with a nice eucalyptus forest, a little spring here, and all the details around, you know. Okay guys, stay put, stay with us, and enjoy the whole video, right guys? Alright, we set the tent. I had an apple, very tired. We got lost. We're gonna set the place to cook. Just to avoid, you know, nothing gets fire here. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. Okay, I hope you like it, you know guys. As I say, give me some comments, you know, about this video, what you think about this, you know guys. If you know all the places, you know, around Sumaré or whatever in the area, just allow me to know. Toda sexta-feira eu tá postando um novo vídeo, galera. Falei, so much love, energy, positive vibe for all of you guys, for all those beautiful Brazilian followers, you know guys. I appreciate it. Thank you, and don't forget to keep clean the natural environment. Nature is beautiful.
Ciao, ciao.